Hello, Fliiby community. My name is Nemanja. I'm one of the co-founders of Fliiby, and today I would like to talk to you about our beta version of Android application. If you haven't seen, we launched Android application on the App Store. As you can see, we uploaded a few screenshots, and application is publicly live, but it's in beta. It cannot be rated. If you want to find it, go to Google Play and just search for Fliiby or follow the link that will be in the description of this video. Download the app, rate it through the review process, and send us feedback information if there are some bugs or problems that you encounter. Today we released 1.5 version of the application. It should have a lot of problems and new features added and removed and added. Now the application is built both for tablets and phones. On the main screen, I'll go through the phone screen. As you can see, it's a welcome screen with information about what Fliiby is. If you don't have an account, you have option to create a new account. You can create it with a Facebook, or you can just enter your email, username, and password and click create account. Since this is my demo account, I'm just going to log in. Okay, as you can see, there's a quite big difference between Android version for the phone and tablets. We use the grid view on a tablet or bigger screen sizes. Okay, and we have only one column for the phones. This feed is future feed, and every day you will see as a first image our file of the day. Today is Deep Blue Sea. Same goes here. When you tap on the image, we'll open a more information screen, which as you can see has a title, user image. You have the button for more information. When you click it, it will give you more information about the image and the author of the content. Okay, you can like that content, you can comment on it, and of course you have option to report it if you think it's violating some terms of use, and you have option to share this image via social network, SMS, email, or whatever way you want to share it. Now, one thing that we decided to create for our users is ability to go into an immersive mode. So when you tap the screen, we'll remove all the elements from it, and even if you go into landscape mode, we're going to remove everything and focus only on the image itself. Now that's also pretty good. As you can see on the right side, we have the advertising. That's the way how you earn revenue. We'll go into details about that later in the video. But if you want to just view image without any interruption, you can tap the screen and everything will fade away. Same goes for landscape mode on the phone. As you can see, it works quite well. Okay, we'll just go back. And one more thing that is important for your feed. This is future feed, as I said. This is the content that we promote and we find quite interesting and that you should see. And we also have the following feed. For this user, it's empty since the user is new demo account and it's not following anyone. But for this account, as you can see, I can see the latest uploads from people that I follow. Okay, we are still working on how to display data so you don't see 10 images from one person every time, but it will take some time until we figure out how exactly the API should work. Now, when you see the image, you have in the left bottom corner profile image. When you click on it, it will load the profile. And as you can see, profile looks a little bit different on phone and on tablet. We're still using the grid view for the tablet screens, and we use one column for the phones. You can swipe the screens between and see who the user is following and who's following the user and all the likes. You can of course follow the user from this screen. You can send them a message, or you can share a link to their profile. I'm just gonna use this demo to share. So what's happening now is when I click on this link, I will be taken directly to her profile. So you can easily share all the content by sharing direct link. Also, if you are in our referral program, you should go to your own profile and share that link, and we'll calculate that as a referral to Fliiby. If you don't know what's a referral program at Fliiby, go to our flee.b/referrals page and check it out and apply. Also, what we also built into our application is ability to share directly images and videos. And as you can see, when I click on that image, I click that link, I will be taken directly into that image that was shared with me, and then I'll be taken to the main screen. So we had to make it like that, because sometimes there are no activities active, so user will be directly redirected to the main screen. So if you are the user and the owner and you want to see your own profile, you can click on one letter logo Fliiby and go to profile. Okay. As you can see, this is brand new account. It has no data. It has one follower and nobody's following him, and it has 8 likes. So this is a place where you can see all the likes that you did on the website. Your profile is a little bit different. As you can see, you don't have the follow button, you have the settings button where you can edit all your data. I'll go into settings later. You can share your profile, and we added the upload button to your profile so you can upload the content directly. And we have a green monetization button on the top right side if the profile is yours and you're not in a monetization program, so that you can apply. If you don't know what monetization program is, Fliiby has monetization reward program that allows you to earn revenue every time other users view your images, videos, music, or other content on a web or in our mobile application. So if you are new to monetization idea, you can find a monetization screen in a drop-down menu by clicking on monetization. Please fill the application and we'll review it. Please be aware, we do not allow uploading of copyrighted content. Content uploaded must be yours. And if you don't have any images or videos in your account and you apply, we will automatically decline the application. There's no point of approval something that we don't know what it is. Okay, so if we go to the monetization to this screen, as you can see, this is other demo account which has some data points inside, and you can see the views, revenue, and everything inside of it. But this is a demo account. If I click view detailed stats, it will take me to my statistics. No matter if you're a publisher or not, actually in monetization program, you can check the statistics tab from drop-down menu. Since this is a new account and has no data, there's nothing to see. And what you can do is by tapping on specific fields, you can turn them on or off to see specific data that you're looking for. Okay, so this is a short overview about monetization statistics. And of course there's settings option where you can change your profile photo, you can change your cover image. By clicking on it, you can select another image and click change profile. and we have to wait a few seconds for the image to be uploaded. Unfortunately, this image is quite big, 2 or 3 megabytes, so it will take some time to upload. Important thing is clicking back while the upload is working will not cancel your upload progresses. Same thing goes for the, yeah, as you can see, maximum 5 megabyte size. This image was pretty big. You can change all your personal information here. You can change the privacy if you want your name to be shown, location, likes, and other information. And of course, you have the option for notifications. If you want to receive notifications through the application when somebody likes your content, comments, and everything, so it's up to you to decide. You must understand application settings are for the push notifications. They're not for email. Okay, they're separated from the web at this moment. But if you have this enabled, we will not send you an email. Okay, you can change password, email, and that's basically it. There are notifications screen where you can see all the notification, who's following you, commented, recommented, and you can see your statistics and everything. By clicking on user who followed you, you will be taken to their profile, okay? Or by clicking on comment, you will be taken back to the comments page. Also, there's a much needed search. You can search, for example, photography. And first you will see a few users that are available for this on the platform that you can follow, and you can see all the content that has photography tags inside of it, or title and description about the photography. By clicking on their profile image, you will open them, you can follow them, and continue discussion about their content with them. And the heart of the system is, of course, the upload. When you click the upload, you have option to select images or videos. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we'll go just with an image. Since I'm currently on emulator, clicking this button would turn on the camera, but the application would crash to take a photo, and this button goes to recording mode, so you can record the video and upload it directly to Fliiby. So for now, we're going to stick with just image upload. Okay, let's go next. Let's go next. Okay, now as you can see, the difference between two accounts is this account is not approved for monetization. So you have the apply button, and when you click on it, you can apply for a monetization program. So this option is unavailable for you if you're not a publisher yet. So we're just gonna type demo, demo, demo. Also, the tags are written with the commas, colors. Okay, and you should click the upload button. Now, one thing to let you know, if you click back button, it will not cancel the upload process. You can leave this screen, but when it's finished, the application will start your profile. Now, of course, if you don't want anyone to see your content, you can put it to a private, so only you can see it, and maybe edit it for the later and put it to public and monetize at later stage when you're happy with the description, if you don't have time at that moment to write it. On your profile, you have option to edit the content. I'll go to your profile through this page. You can press the edit button. Okay, same goes for the other account. Of course, you can access your edit functions through this page also. And you can, of course, change the privacy of the content. Same goes here. If you're applied, you can monetize it. And since these images are not ours, we're gonna delete them. I'm going to delete for both of users. Okay, and since this also is not mine, but let's say I would like to edit demo 1 2, and by pressing the edit button, file has been edited, and that's basically it. Now what you can also do is invite your friends directly through the Facebook. It won't work on my emulator since I don't have Facebook and I'm not logged in on this account. Okay, and the last thing that we have to go through is how do you earn revenue through our application. I'm going to show you. As you can see, this is the empty field currently with the black color and play button. These are the native ads served by Facebook and other ad networks. Every time when there is an ad request, we're going to display advertising here, and you will seamlessly have it integrated in your content. Every time advertising is viewed, we are going to calculate that for all the images that are displayed here and share the revenue between them. And also when you click on images, we're going to display advertising here, okay? And you earn revenue every time people view your content in the application, okay? So that's the monetization part. So I think that we are at the end of our application review or explanatory video about Fliiby applications. I would like to thank you for beta testing and helping us out making Fliiby app better for all our users. If you have some comments about the application, please go to our App Store link and submit a beta review so we can improve application. If there are some errors, please also let us know that your application crashed. If you did something, please tell us which screen was and what you did. And that's it for now. So thank you for your time and download our app. Goodbye.